Due to the graphic nature of this video, we've given you a happy background tune so you can be happy for the snake getting its meal. As we can see, the snake has gotten the head of the bird down and continues to manipulate the bird into a position to consume it. The snake makes a tactical error and slips, nearly dropping the bird. But does he have the strength to bring the bird back up? Apparently, he does not. Could this be the end? Was the bird's life wasted for nothing? It appears not, as the snake begins his downward journey in search of his lost meal. We watch as the snake again begins to swallow the bird and constricts around the bird, breaking its bones and making the bird more pliable so it is able to swallow the bird. The snake slowly backs into the hay pile as it works on swallowing its prey, evading our view. We have to move hay to see the final act. Unfortunately, there is no sign of the bird nor the snake. In order to leave you with a sense of finality, we have an artist rendition of what the final scene looked like.